안녕하세요 여러분. Hi guys. Welcome to Learn Korean with Clara 쌤. 한국어 같이 배워요. A little tip, but very useful when you are learning Korean. How do you say in Korean, excuse me? We already learned this expression in lesson 10. It's 실례합니다. But more commonly, Koreans use another expression. It is 저기요. The latter is used much more often than 실례합니다. You would hear it in more varied situations compared to 실례합니다. The English equivalent is excuse me, please, or sorry. The expression 저기요 is mostly used to get someone's attention. For example, you are looking for the nearest subway station, but you are not familiar with this area. So you would like to ask someone for this information. So in this case, you can start by saying 저기요, 저기요, 여기 제일 가까운 전철역이 어디예요? Excuse me, where is the nearest subway station from here? Another case when Koreans use this expression very frequently. You are in a restaurant, and you need to grab the waiter's attention to ask for the menu, for example. You say to him, 저기요, 메뉴판 좀 가져다 주실래요? Can you bring me the menu, please? You can also use this expression in a movie theater. You arrive at a performance hall and notice that someone is sitting in your seat. In this case, you will tell him, 저기요, 여기 제 자리인데요. It means, excuse me, I believe this is my seat. The expression 저기요 is not just limited to asking for something, but it is also generally used to draw attention to various things. Here is an example. You notice that someone has dropped his wallet on the floor. You call that person starting with 저기요. 저기요, 지갑 떨어뜨리셨는데요. Which means, excuse me, you've dropped your wallet. Or you are in the metro or a bus, and you see an elderly person getting on. You call that person to offer to sit in your place. 저기요, 여기 앉으세요. This scene is quite common in Korea on public transport. Here we have seen several uses with the expression 저기요. Its use is much wider and more common than 실례합니다. When you are in one of the situations described above, why not use it to practice? Koreans are going to be impressed. Well, that's all for today. I'll come back soon with more cool tips. Thanks for watching and good work everyone. See you next time. 다음에 또 만나요.